A drone that still depends on a human launching every mission is useful. A drone that can live in the field, recharge itself, and relaunch on demand is infrastructure. Hi, I'm Dr. Qamar, and one of the most important shifts in drone autonomy right now is the rise of drone in a box systems. Let me explain it simply. For many people, a drone is still a flying camera, but in real deployments, the drone is only one part of the system. The real system is the aircraft, the dock, the charging, the remote monitoring, the weather awareness, and the mission scheduling. That is why drone in a box matters. For example, DJI's official launch of Dock 3 describes it as a solution for 24/7 remote operations, including support for vehicle-mounted deployments, extreme temperature operation, and remote inspection or emergency workflows. This changes the mindset completely. You are no longer programming only a flight, you are programming an aerial service loop. First we have detect, then we go for dispatch, then we go for inspect, then return, then recharge, then relaunch. And that is where the engineering becomes real, because once drones becomes infrastructure, you must think about first reliability, then we have remote supervision, safe relaunch logic, communications, maintenance cycles, and regulation. That last point matters. The FAA has been very clear that unsafe or unauthorized drone operations can lead to serious reinforcement or enforcement, including significant fines and certificate actions. So my 2026 view is this. The future of drone autonomy is not just smarter flight, it is persistent aerial presence. The teams that wins will not be the ones flying the most missions by hand. They will be the ones building repeatable, safe, remotely operated drone systems that stay ready all day. Thank you.